L plus ratio meaning. WTF is the L plus ratio? On social media, the insult L plus ratio is frequently used in jest in response to a particularly offensive message or opinion. Slang meaning loss begins with the letter L, as in the opposite of win. The term ratio is used in the context of social media to describe a situation in which a post receives a lot more replies than likes or reposts, which typically denotes a flood of critical and frequently ridiculing comments. L plus ratio, what does it mean? L plus ratio replies are used to suggest that the individual being addressed has been, or will be, humiliated by the response to their post, which has been characterized as a total failure. L plus ratio may be used alone or in conjunction with other insults or lighthearted expressions, frequently using plus signs. These epithets frequently contain meme or social media slang phrases like "you fell off" or "touch grass." This makes L plus ratio a meme template that is frequently modified by the insertion of a string of derogatory or ludicrous statements. Example: earlier, a hot dog is a sandwich. We are aware that it is real. Reply: you put mayo on hot dogs, L plus ratio, unfollowed, and blocked.